transformer. It is used for inverter. So you can see here we have the so here we have this is primary for 12 volts. So you can see here 3 pins primary. It is center top. And then this side, it is secondary. You can see here 5 pins. So this is for the 12 volts and this one is for the output. We can check using the tester. And with jumper alligator clip. We're going to use this alligator clip. Alligator clip. And then this one. We set that to continuity to see the connection of this transformer. For the primary 12 volts. So this is center top. And then for the other side, these two connected. These two are connected. These two and these three. The primary and the secondary, let us check if it is connected. It is not connected. So it means it is an isolation transformer. So we have the bottom view of this high frequency transformer. This is used for power inverter. This is high frequency transformer and good for 12 volts, 220 volts. So the primary is this for the 12 volts, and it is composed of 3 pins. So this is center top. And the other side, this is for 220 volts or combination. We can use when we are doing our project, we can use this part or this transformer. And there is no, while conducting the test, there is no connection between the primary and the secondary. So here we have the 12 volts, 3 pins, 1, 2, 3, and then the other side with the isolation. So this is isolated because this primary is not connected to the secondary. So remember that the inverter inverts the DC to AC. From DC source becomes AC. From 12 volts, it becomes 220 volts. Or in this case, I think this one is the 220, 0 volts to 220. In this one, this is center top. The 0 volts is here. And the 2, we're going to test that. We're going to know that when we have a project. Okay, this is 4, 5, 6. They are connected using the tester. So we're using the tester. Continuity test. Just using the continuity test, we can able to know we will know the connection. This is center top 4, 5, 6, and this 4, 5, 6, they are connected. They are all connected, and then they are not connected to the pin number 7, 8. They are pin number 7, 8 is only for pin 7 and 8. It is not connected to 4, 5, 6. And this secondary is not connected to the primary. So we're just using a continuity test to know the exact connection of the coil. So they are not connected, the primary to secondary. They are isolated. So this is isolation transformer.